If you are feeling heavy, tired, disconnected, and overwhelmed, then this is the moment that your reset begins. Not because everything is falling apart, but because there is a silent whisper inside you which says, I can no longer be carrying myself this way. A reset doesn't mean that you become a new person overnight. A reset means you stop abandoning yourself. A reset means you listen again. And a reset means you create a space where the body, your breath, and your energy and spirit comes back to alignment. You can begin with these three things. First, one breath before you respond. Second, one moment of silence before you begin your day. And third, one honest check-in before you sleep. This is the path I guide, not performance spirituality. No complicated rituals, but a grounded return through your body, breath, stillness, and energy. You don't have to do everything today. You just need to begin. And beginning with sincerity is already powerful.